In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and run a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to set the right dates, so the report reflects your business at a specific point in time. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Move your cursor over the Reports menu on the left side of the screen. Just hover for a moment. This opens up the main reporting area without taking you away from your current page too quickly, and it helps you see the report categories at a glance. Next, head into the Standard Reports section. This is the hub for your core, ready-to-use reports, including the balance sheet. The Standard tab keeps things consistent and familiar, so you don't have to build anything from scratch. It's the fastest path to the financial statements most businesses rely on. Now, look for the balance sheet and click it. QuickBooks will load the report with default settings. The balance sheet is a snapshot of your company's financial position. It's organized into three main sections: assets, which is what you own; liabilities, which is what you owe; and equity, which represents the owner's stake in the business. A quick way to sanity check the report is to remember that assets should always equal liabilities plus equity. At the top of the balance sheet, select the report period range. For this report, you're usually picking an as of date, because the balance sheet shows where your business stands at a single point in time. Use the drop-down to choose a preset like today, end of last month, this fiscal year to date, or set a custom date that matches your reporting needs. As you change the date, the report updates to reflect balances on that day. If something looks off, verify the date first. Using the wrong period is one of the most common causes of confusing numbers. As you review the report, you'll notice QuickBooks groups similar accounts together to make it easier to read. Cash and bank accounts appear near the top. Under assets, credit cards, and loans show up in liabilities. And equity summarizes retained earnings and owner contributions. The totals at the bottom help you confirm that everything balances. That's all there is to creating and running a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. Open Reports, go to Standard, choose Balance Sheet, and set your report period. Keep your chosen date consistent with your other financial reviews, and you'll have a clear, reliable snapshot of your business whenever you need it.